Hello. So for today's lesson, we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to learn the double paradiddle. And on the double paradiddle, I'm going to use a triplet feel to it. Normally, you play a double paradiddle with 16th notes. I'm going to give it like a swing feel along with the swing rhythm. And I came up with two different breaks with different accents to it. It's kind of challenging, but it's a lot of fun, so let's go do it. Okay, so let me go over what the double paradiddle is, and I'm going to use triplets on this. So let me do it real slow. And then I also use what I call the inverted double paradiddle. Let me do that real slow for you. Okay, so I came up with two different breaks. And I changed the accents around a little bit. So let me go over the first break with you. It starts on the small tom. And then I throw in the inverted double paradiddle. It starts off on the floor tom. Okay, so when I do the break, beforehand I do a swing feel, and it's a 2-measure beat.